Our top story today is the HP Pavilion Aero 13. Now, like I said, great laptop, comes with a great small lightweight design, very small footprint, despite the 13.3-inch display looking really good. It's a magnesium aluminium chassis, prone to a little bit of flexing, but do remember it is still very solid. Good specs: Ryzen 5 5600U, 16 GB of RAM, 512 GB of SSD storage, excellent performance, multitasking, even better in managing heat. Usually small laptops tend to heat up, and the battery lasted for 10-11 hours. So like I said, about 80,000 rupees is the price point. Let's take a look at our review.
There is something very fascinating about the small laptops of 2021. Small footprint, lightweight chassis, can fit anywhere, can be taken anywhere. But plenty of things have to go right for the laptop to be both small and great. The HP Pavilion Aero 13 is a fresh new attempt at getting the small laptop right. And today we will tell you what it gets right, what it gets wrong, and answer the most important question of all: whether it is worth your money or not. Now, three basic things need to be done right for a small laptop to be great. The design needs to be spot on, the performance and thermals need to be great, and the battery should last an entire workday. If it does well in other aspects too, that will make the cherry on top. Starting with the design, HP has done well with the Aero 13. It comes in a magnesium aluminium chassis which keeps its weight extremely light at 970 grams, even though there is some flexing throughout the laptop. And the weight combined with 1.6 centimeters of thickness makes grabbing this laptop easy. The footprint is small. A user might even think that it's a 12-inch laptop. And yet, when they open it, they find a 13.3-inch display that is bezel small enough to give it a 90% screen-to-body ratio. Tilt your head down and you will find the keyboard and the small trackpad. The keyboard stretches across the entirety of the casing and has flat keys with navigation buttons on the right side. It will take some time for the user to get into the habit of using this keyboard, as it's not the best. The keys are flat rather than concave, which makes it less intuitive to type on. The navigation buttons on the right shift the entire laptop a little to the left, hence we found ourselves making errors while typing. The trackpad underneath has a size that is just enough for comfortable use. The surface is smooth, recognizes gestures effortlessly, but what does take effort is clicking the trackpad. The hinge is solid. It is easy to open and close with a single hand. The display does not wobble while the laptop is being used. The Aero 13 gets the design mostly right, except for the keyboard and the trackpad, which will take some time to adjust. It maintains a small footprint with a very light chassis, and despite the small bit of flexing, HP has done well. The internals of the laptop are powerful. The unit we had a Ryzen 5 5600U, a chipset that is known for its heat management and powerful multi-core performance. Along with this, it also has 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB SSD. And all of these specs combine to give a performance which is fast and reliable. It blows past the regular tasks. Multiple tabs open on Chrome, Spotify playing in the background, multiple applications being used at the same time is handled very well by the laptop. Editing and color grading videos works surprisingly well, and exporting simple projects is pretty quick. Lightroom edits are also very smooth and easy. As for gaming, it won't be able to play the AAA titles, as it only depends on AMD Radeon graphics rather than having a dedicated graphics card. And throughout all the power-hungry tasks where the processor is being used at its full strength, the heat is managed extremely well. Apart from gaming and exporting a project on Premiere Pro, the fans are barely audible. The chassis does get warm, but never enough to deem the laptop unusable. Hence, performance is an absolute win for this laptop. With the processor from the Ryzen 5000 series, the efficient power management throughout the use of the laptop translates to great battery life for the Aero 13. While performing regular tasks and keeping the brightness of the screen limited to 50 or 60%, the laptop lasts for 10 to 11 hours on a single charge, which is impressive for the small size and another aspect that HP has done well with. And what about the cherries on top? The display is one of them. The 13.3-inch display has a resolution of 1320 by 1200 pixels, making a tall aspect ratio of 16:10. It makes the screen great for editing videos and photos, but the portability means nothing if you use the laptop outside only for the display not being visible, as it does not get bright enough. That's not a problem for this display, as it gets bright, which makes it very easy to use in the outside sun. While the display gets everything right, the speakers only get one thing right. The speakers get decently loud, but the bass is non-existent. The stereo separation works well, but without a significant bass, nothing sounds all that good. The port selection is limited but powerful. One USB Type-C port with support for power delivery display port capable of a maximum speed of 10 Gbps. Two USB-A ports with a maximum speed of 5 Gbps. One HDMI 2.0 port, a headphone jack and a charging port. And apart from this, what it lacks is an SD card slot. The HP Pavilion Aero 13 is a tiny laptop that gets most of the things of a tiny laptop right. There are some amazing things about it. Some will take time to adjust to, like the keyboard or the trackpad, and some you will have to adjust for, like the speakers. And for the price of $79,999, it comes at a premium. But at the same time, it is powerful, built well, designed great with a few small flaws. And if you want a small laptop that gets most of the things about a small laptop right, HP Pavilion Aero 13 is the laptop to get.